Hello everyone, welcome back to another section where I will show you how to create a project in Django and also how to create an application in Django and to go through some basic settings that you need to know. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. So now I will open the terminal, and the way I start the project, or the way I create a project, is Django dash admin start project, and then I'll specify the name that I want, and in this case is my site. So after creating the project, we have to cd to change directory into that. We have to add this directory to path. So to add it to path, you use cd my site, and after you have done that, then let's proceed to create our pose application. So to do that, we say python manage.py start up, and then we specify the name of our application, in this case, which is pose. And as you can see, we have successfully created a project in Python, and we've also created in Django as well we have created a poll. And how can you see that? You have to navigate here. This is the virtual environment that PyCharm has created for us, and as you can see, this is a project, and this is an application. So the files for the project, we can access them here. This is the my site project that we have created, and this is the pose application, and as you can see, there are Python packages inside there. Perfect. But we are going to go through the necessary and the important ones in this tutorial, in this section of the tutorial. So that's perfect. And now let's just start the local server to just see if we have done, if our project and application has been installed successfully. So let's do that. So the way to do that is python manage.py, then run server, and this will allow us to see whether the installation was successful or not. So just click here. For me, it's easier because I'll just click on this, and boom, then we will navigate to Chrome, which is my favorite browser, and as you can see, it's saying the install worked successfully. So it's giving us a congratulatory message. So now you are good to go to start creating powerful projects in Python, creating your web page and stuff. So let's just dive to do some basic settings here. So the way to first do it is we have to register our pose application. So let's just navigate to our project, my site settings, and then here under installed applications, let's just add our pose app that we have created. So we will do that. So as you can see, we have added it, and control save. Then we have to navigate down there to the bottom, and let's just set some static file settings. So static files in Django, these relate to CSS, JavaScript, and images. So let's just do that. So static files underscore dirs, and then os dot path dot join and base directory, and our base directory in this case is static. So that's perfect. So in the next section of this tutorial, I will show you how to set up other small settings, and then how to get started working with views and URLs. So just tune in, guys. See you in the next section.